What's up, guys? I just wanted to do a cold start of my new Yoshimura RS-2 Race Mini Works exhaust here on the 2019 Honda Grom. This is the first start of the day, so it's a cold start. Mine has the O2 bung already in it, and the part coming from the header is already burnt in. It's kind of like a copper color. Comes more like aluminum finish from the factory. It literally only takes like one ride for it to change its color to the color it is now. But it's pretty cool. As it sits now, it doesn't have the DBA killer in it, the silencer. The silencer itself is different. It doesn't have, it's not like a cone inside with a whole bunch of, like divots in it to distort the sound. It's just like a 1.5 inch to 2 inch pipe that sticks down into the end of the muffler here and goes actually kind of down in, faces downward with a black garnishing tip that sits at the tip of the muffler. The tip itself is nice, but I like it the raw look without anything in there. The sound difference is not much at idle, but once you rev it, it's definitely noticeable. Even at idle, it is a little bit louder, but not like a huge significant difference. Now that she's warmed up, super happy with this purchase. Anybody looking for an exhaust, I would definitely recommend the Yoshimura. It's freaking awesome. Get a Grom.